Evolve to cleaner technologies. Evolve to a smooth and refined experience. Evolve to quicker pickups. Evolve to uncompromised safety. Evolve to getting more out of very little. Evolve to the future today. Evolve to electric.
Tata Motors will lead this evolution to mainstream EVs in India and is consolidating EV products under one inspiring message: evolve to electric. Let's have a deeper look at our second product on the Ziptron platform, the Tigor EV. Tigor EV is based on three key product pillars: technology, comfort, and safety. Tigor EV comes packed with technology across its powertrain, infotainment, connectivity, and charging. It comes with a high voltage Ziptron EV architecture, which offers high energy density lithium-ion battery pack and a very efficient motor, resulting in optimizing the range and performance. It is compatible to the globally acceptable CCS2 fast charging standard and also offers regular charging from any 15 amp plug point. Needless to say, every Tigor EV will come with a free 15 amp home charger installed by Tata Motors. The Tigor EV comes with smart regeneration capability, which further enhances the range of the vehicle. Automatic transmission with sports mode is standard across all variants, providing the customer with a choice of an efficient or a spirited drive as the situation or the mood demands. A 7-inch Harman touchscreen infotainment with 4 speakers and 4 tweeters provides best-in-segment connectivity and infotainment. The connected car suite IRA is also offered with 30 plus features, including remote commands, intrusion alert, remote cooling, charging status, time to full charge, and remote diagnostics. Talking about the second pillar, the Tigor EV has prioritized and providing a comfortable, smooth, and relaxing drive. The silent in-cabin experience, spacious interiors, and a suspension setup optimized for an extremely smooth and relaxing drive. The upmarket, fully automatic temperature control is standard across all variants of the Tigor. It comes with electrically adjustable and foldable ORVMs. Height adjustable driver seat providing optimum driving position for multiple drivers. It is equipped with smart key with a push button start. A portable charging cable is standard on every Tigor EV. The Tigor EV's boot space of 316 liters is expandable up to 375 liters based on an option of removing the spare wheel. We are also giving customers a tire puncture kit, which would help in case of a flat tire. Safety is a key pillar across all Tata Motor vehicles, and the Tigor EV provides class-leading safety from crash as well as usability point of view. Standard safety features of the Tigor EV include an IP67 weatherproof battery pack and motor, dual airbags, ABS with EBD and corner stability control, hill ascent assist and hill descent assist. A week ago, we saw the performance capabilities of the Tigor EV in a thrilling hill climb. Let's have a quick look at it again as we unveil the Tigor EV.
The all-new Tigor EV, powered by Ziptron.
Phenomenal, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, you can now pre-book your Tigor EV online or at your nearest Tata Motors showroom. The Tigor EV goes on sale on 31st of August. On behalf of Tata Motors, I thank you all for your time today. Let's evolve to electric.